Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a DIY fall floral crate that will brighten any space in your home. Okay, so for this craft I am reusing one of my wooden crate boxes that I purchased at Dollar Tree. I'm also using some acrylic paint. I have yellow, then I also have a cream color. I'm going to mix the two together. I'm also using Mod Podge. And also I have some foam blocks here. And also you'll need a paintbrush and also scissors and some decorative napkins. Any will do. I'm just using one with a sunflower. And then I have some artificial flowers as well. Okay, so we're going to start off with applying some paint to the wooden crate. I went ahead and I mixed two of my colors together, and then next I'll just take my paintbrush and apply it to my wooden crate. Okay, so now we're ready to work with the decorative napkin. So what you'll do is you'll take scissors and cut out the section of the napkin that you will want to use in your design. Once you have cut out the napkin, be sure to remove the second layer of your napkin. Okay, so now we're ready to apply the Mod Podge and the decorative napkin to the wooden crate. So what you'll do is you'll just take your paintbrush and get a little bit of the Mod Podge onto your paintbrush and apply it to your wooden crate. Once you have done that, take your napkin section that you had previously cut out and add that over the Mod Podge. Okay, so once you have added your decorative napkin over the Mod Podge, just take your finger and gently rub out any of the creases or wrinkles that you may see in the decorative napkin. Once you have done that, take a tiny bit of Mod Podge and apply it over your decorative napkin. Okay, so I like to use my heating tool when working with Mod Podge. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking my blow dryer and I'm just going over the Mod Podge that I applied to my decorative napkin. Okay, so all that's left is you'll take your foam blocks and add them into your wooden crate. Once you have added them into your wooden crate, you will take your artificial flowers and you'll begin to insert those into the wooden crate. And that completes your fall floral wooden crate design. Thank you all so much for joining me and creating with me. I'll see you soon.